and my happiest congratulations on this wonderful day. And we must say that, and as we say 2021, and I'd say it is WN, and that is WN for Vaidari as we stand here. And that says, your days are your life in miniature. Every day is your life in miniature. And you live your hours, each hours, so you create your years. And we should know that the best among us are not more gifted than us. But what matters is the little step that we take. And I am all in praise for Vaidari because it is a small step that she took. And taking out the special time and devoting, and everybody is having a lot of time. But what matters is the small step that we take. And that steps sometimes get rewarded. And also with prizes they are encouraged. And so here, on behalf of the management, the staff, and all the students gathered here, my best wishes to Vaidari, and also I take this special moment to congratulate Vaidari. And we always say that the best is yet to come. And we wish you all the best. May God bless you. And with these words, I just conclude. I think there is a prize giving ceremony, and I will, with all happiness and pleasure, I will do the special ceremony. So you can give a big round of applause. And of course, when we congratulate her, and I am very happy to see that her father, yes, her father is also with us, and he just at the prayer end of the hall, and you can just take a turn and you can see, and you can also give a round of applause. Thank you, sir. And so this is again thinking that the influence of the teachers, of the parents, and always there is an influence, and how do we take, and I really appreciate and congratulate father of Vaidari for taking all guidance and giving all the guidance and helping her throughout all this bad time, we would say, but it was a very good time, and she made use of this time in a very beneficial manner. So once again, my congratulations goes to beloved father Vaidari. Now, I am very happy to give the honor of giving away the prizes.
Thank you, sir. Your presence and gentle words are a source of encouragement for all of us. Now, I request you to honor Vaidari's Nayak with the trophies. A ninth annual runner of our Literature Awards. A very warm good morning to all our present over here. Respected please on the dais, teachers, and all my dear friends. First and foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude
to the entire team of Vijayagiri Public School and Regina PSK classes and all my dear friends who supported me, inspired and motivated me to do a lot more. Thank you all. And I would like to share a small story with you. Story behind my success. One day, during an afternoon, after our online classes, I was just going through the WhatsApp status. So I noticed our Prashant sir's son, Naitik, being honored with the India Book of Records. And I think that was the first time that I get to know about India Book of Records. And I started to think what to do to be one among them. And the truth is, in that evening itself, I googled India Book of Records and how can you participate, application form and all those things. I started to think about an idea and within 2-3 days I discussed with my family and they have supported me. Within 2-3 days I have registered, applied and they have asked me to wait for 7 days. So I started to mark each and every day in the calendar and the 7th day arrived and they have confirmed my application and they have asked me to send the evidences. So on the 7th day, at that moment itself I sent the evidences. They have again asked me to wait for 7 days. So I was not with much patience. Still I waited. I counted each and every day and on the 7th day I got to know that my name is also being selected and I have been awarded as a national record holder. And that was something which had motivated me a lot to do more. And one day I got a notification from International Book of Records whether am I interested to participate or not. So I thought to give it a try. I just applied and I got the result within a few days that my attempt was selected. And that was the journey of reaching to the record. One day I was doing something, I think. I got a poster. Itself, I sent the evidences. They have again asked me to wait for 7 days. So I was not with much patience. Still, I waited. I counted each and every day. And on the 7th day, I got to know that my name is also being selected and I have been awarded as a national record holder. And that was something which had motivated me a lot to do more. And one day I got a notification from International Book of Records whether am I interested to participate or not. So I thought to give it a try. I just applied and I got the result within a few days that my attempt was selected. And that was the journey of reaching to the record. One day I was doing something, I think. I got a poster from my mother's WhatsApp that Elite Annual Carnival is going on and top authors are participating in an event and if you want you can participate. I was not sure that I won't receive anything but still I thought to give it a try. It was really a good experience for me because I got to hear a lot more questions. I got to attend different interviews. They have asked me different questions. The truth is, they have given me a form to fill. It took more than 3-4 hours to fill all those forms. They have given a code and I want to write my viewpoint on it. And they have asked me why you choose a career as a writer and made 4 questions for that. And finally, when the result came, I was selected. So that 2-year boy, Naitik, have played a major role of transforming my life from a student to the world record holder. I just want to tell you one thing that it's better to look ahead and prepare than to look back and regret. If you can dream it, you can do it. Where you are a year from now is a reflection of the choices you choose to make right now. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. Don't downgrade your dream just to fit your reality. Upgrade your conviction to match your destiny. Every day may not be good, but there is